Hi everyone, here we've got LG Velvet, and let me show you how to clear credentials on the following device. So first of all, let's open the settings. Then let's scroll down and find lock screen and security. And here let's scroll down to the encryption and credentials. Let's click on it, and at the bottom of the list we've got the clear credentials option, so let's click on it. Your device will ask you if you really want to remove all the contents. If you want, click on OK. Let's draw your pattern or enter the PIN to confirm, and the credential storage is erased. So that's all. This is how you erase credentials from your LG Velvet. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.